Selling watercolor Clipart designs as digital product has been highly popular in 2024, and with high demand on platforms like Etsy, sellers are making substantial monthly revenue solely from this type of designs. And ever since the introduction of AI, starting a business like this doesn't require any skills. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use a simple prompt to create stunning watercolor clip art, upscale them for better quality, and get them ready for launching on Etsy. I found one of these stores on Etsy that solely sells watercolor clip art designs, focusing on top searching keywords like birthdays, travels, and holidays. And as a result, this store made $19K in total sales and a total revenue of $87K. Now, creating this design is very simple, but instead of designing random watercolor clip art and hoping for quick sales, we'll first identify a top selling listings from this store. Then use it as an inspiration to create more variations. And there are two methods of doing this, with the second method being the best and fast way. The first method is to go to the review section, change the sort by option from suggested to most recent. Then check for one of these products with recent repeated sales. For example, this travel design was purchased on the 7th of July and also on the 9th of this month, which matches what we are looking for. But the best and fast way to find these repeated sales is to use an external Etsy shop analyzer like Alura. Simply copy and paste the shop name into Alura's shop analyzer, and you'll be able to see the monthly and total revenue from each listing in this store. This allows you to easily determine which products are performing well. For example, I could easily identify a listing like this that has been added to 20 people's cart with plenty of reviews confirming it continues to sell well. To generate these designs using AI, you need an image generation platform that can produce high quality results. In this case, let me introduce two platforms that I often use to create better watercolor clip art designs, with the second platform being my favorite. The first platform is Magic Media from Canva. This AI gives you 50 credits to use every month in the free version and offers popular style to choose from. The second platform is CGDreams, which generates results similar to Midjourney. This AI offers numerous styles to choose from and allows you to generate 2 images at a time in the free version. Now, the next step is to generate the same images using both platforms, and you decide which one produces the best results. I began with Magic Media. I created a 1:1 ratio custom size since it's for a clip art design. Then I went to the app section and searched for Magic Media. The next step was to write a prompt, and after experimenting with several prompts in Magic Media, these are the ones that gave the best result. The first prompt was, in a white background, imagine a cheerful traveling road trip vehicle loaded with luggages on the roof, ready for an adventurous journey in a watercolor style. The second was, in a white background, imagine a train traveling through a tropical scene with vibrant green palm trees, colorful flowers, and distant mountain in a watercolor style. In this prompt, you notice I started and ended it in the same format because I discovered that this method works better on any image generation platform. And when I tested this prompt in CGDreams, here is a side-by-side comparison of the results. And if you want to get access to more of this prompt, I've put together 100 prompts for anyone interested in starting this similar business. This will be available to all my Patreon supporters with the link in the description. And special thanks to Ruth, Chris Lee, Brenda, Janik, Anne, and Valerie for making this possible. Now, after generating these images, there are 2 important things that needs to be done before uploading your design on Etsy. First is the pixel quality, because AI generated images are often low resolution. So to fix this, upscale them using a platform like Vectorizer for better quality. The second task is removing the white background, since this is a clip art design. To do this, I import all my vectorized AI images into Canva, selected effect, and chose background remover. After that, I chose the file type to be PNG so I could export it without the background. Then you get something like this. Finally, you notice that some sellers offers more design in one listings, but Etsy only allows you to upload 5 designs. So to upload more, I gather my design into a Google Drive folder and create a PDF page with a clickable download button. This PDF is what you upload to Etsy. So when customers click on the download button, it will take them to the Google Drive folder containing these designs. And I have included a link in the description about one of my videos that explain how to do this in details. I hope this content has provided you valuable insight into a potential digital product design idea that can sell quickly. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.